Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do this typing animation with CSS, and this is absolutely for beginners. So if you're a beginner in web development, then this video is for you. Please, if you are new to the channel, please help me subscribe and also turn the bell notification icon on so that you will not miss out in any of my future video. I've made a lot of videos in the past, like calculator, which other one, digital clock, and many others, so you can check it out and just see what I'll be able to do. So let's dive in. Yes, this is my Visual Studio Code, and I've opened index.html. I also have a style sheet, which I'm just gonna add some few pre-formatting. So margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. So the next thing I want to do is the body. So the body, I'm just gonna say display flex, align items center, justify content center, and the background would be I use this guy for the background. So if I go back to my index.html and open Lifesaver, now this is how the page looks like. The next thing I want to do is to have dot container, and inside here I'm gonna have another list. Inside this one I'm gonna have few list tag. So for here I'm just gonna say programmer, freelancer, designer, coder. And here I'm just gonna give it a span of I am a I am. So I think I made small error. I'm supposed to, you know, um use this LIs to cover my span, and the span will be the one containing this guy. So like span, and yeah, that's what I mean. If I save that, I have this weird look. I need to go back to my CSS and continue styling. So I can just do this in the body tag, or add some font size. And yes, font size, font family, font weight, as well as the color. The next thing I want to do is to give it a main height of 100. Main height 100 view height. So I'll save this and I'll come here and I'll do container, display flex, align items, or just leave it like that. If I save that, alright, then I can do gap here. So gap should be 1 area, that's 2.5 area. On our list, I'll say list style none. Alright, next thing I want to do is to start the animation. So I'm just gonna say at keyframe. So this one is gonna be move. I'm just gonna call this move for no reason. So move, and then at 100%, I want it to move left 100 or 103%. So if I save this, nothing happens. But I'll come here and I'll target my span. Dot after content should be nothing. Position absolute. Top 0, left 0, and width 100%, height 100%. Then I also target my normal span and set the position relative. So now for my normal span, or sorry, for this guy, I'm just gonna do animation. Name should be move, duration should be let's say 2 seconds, and then timing function, I don't need that. Delay, I don't need it. Iteration count, infinix, and I think the rest will go. So if I save this, all right, now for this guy I'm gonna do background color red. Okay, now this is supposed to be span that is inside my another list, so I'm just gonna do like this. So yes, we have what we want, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. The next thing I want to do, guys, is to change this guy to the color. So I'm just gonna use this guy, and boom. So the next thing I also want to add here is steps. So for this guy I'm gonna do steps, and I'll just count the highest possible number, which is 10 digits. This is 4 4 10. Okay, so 10, and I'll save that. All right, and I'll do some left, sorry, border. I'm not gonna say anything again till this video finish, so you have a check. Now all you want to do again is to go to the next thing is to come to the another list tag and give it a position of relative, and then top 0. Animation, this will be slide, right? Okay, duration will be this times the number of lines, 1 2 3 4. So 4 times 2, that'll give us 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Timing function, we don't need it. Delay, we don't need it. Iteration count, infinix. Direction, we don't need that. And this, if I save this, nothing happens. So we now start our animation declaration, something like that. Slide, and here we have at 100%. We need the top to be, now this is what you do. You come here, you go to expert, you look for the links tag, and you check the height of the text, which is 36 pixels. So that's what we need. So we say 36 times 4, since it is 4 lines, so that will give us 144 pixels. And then we will just put here minus 400 100, rather 144 pixels. So if I save that, okay, the next thing you want to add here is steps, and here we are just going to say 4 times, and boom. This is how to make that guy. The next thing you want to do lastly is give it a height of 36 pixels and overflow hidden. So we are done, and that's it. And if I wanted to make this to go back, I can come here and say 50%, and yes, that's it, how to do this typing animation, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.